Bars and taverns in St. James got a surprise visit from inspectors this week. It's a joint effort by the Municipal Corporation, the Social Development Commission, and by extension, the Ministry of Local Government. The future of the operations of community bars is largely dependent on whether or not the owners comply with new protocols to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. We accompanied a team from the Social Development Commission who went unannounced to bars and taverns in Rose Heights, St. James. There was compliance, but not everywhere. This bartender did not wear a mask. The regulations also point to no chairs, while gambling and gaming instruments should be placed at least 6 feet apart to ensure physical distancing. This bar also gets a failing grade. The inspections have been taking place all week. Randy Hale is the SDC's parish manager for St. James.
Basically, we have observed that you have a number of owners, operators of bars. They are in compliance to a certain level. We are seeing where persons that wearing their mask are when upon entering the establishment, they would have put on the mask. But as it relates to the face shields, a number of persons are not, appropriately attired. A number of them, if there are seating areas, those chairs and stools are packed away. A number of the establishments, we are not seeing a lot of patrons, but they are complying in that regard.
So far, more than 100 bars have been inspected. Montego Bay Mayor Homer Davis says this will be ongoing. As far as resources are concerned,
we have just commenced training of some 20 temporary workers, along with members from the Social Development Commission and other senior person who works with the St. James Municipal Corporation.
Meanwhile, more complaints from bar owners about the stipulated opening hours, and
me not agree with no chair because me have some elderly people who have to drink their rum coming like a medicine. And they have to sit down, and when them come all yesterday, then come out the door, they have to do it, stand up. That can't right.
The 14-day probation period for the reopening of community bars and taverns expires on June 1.